Are phone makers finally listening to what buyers actually want, or is Google just playing it smart this time? With Apple rumored to bump up the price of every iPhone 17 model by 50 United States dollars, it's refreshing to see a different approach from Google. According to a new report, the upcoming Pixel 10 series is holding the line on prices, and in today's climate, that's a big deal. Google plans to launch the Pixel 10 lineup on August 20th, and if what we're hearing is true, the standard Pixel 10 will start at $799 United States dollars for the 128 gigabytes model, $899 United States dollars for the 256 gigabytes, one exactly the same as last year's Pixel 9 pricing. The Pixel 10 Pro will also stick to the same $999 United States dollars price tag for its 128 gigabytes version. Now let's talk about the Pixel 10 Pro XL. At first glance, it seems more expensive with a $1,199 United States dollars starting price, but it's actually a smart shift. The XL model won't come in a 128 gigabytes option anymore. Instead, it begins at 256 gigabytes, which is the same size and price as last year's top-tier Pixel 9 Pro XL. So, in simple terms, nothing's gone up, it's just that the smallest storage option is no longer offered. On top of that, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will also carry the same pricing as last year, which is especially impressive given the ongoing pressure from rising production costs and global tariffs. And there's something new for storage lovers. 1 terabyte version of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be available, priced at $2,149 United States dollars. Google isn't stopping with just keeping prices flat, they're also adding more value to the deal. Buyers of the regular Pixel 10 will reportedly receive 6 months of Google AI Pro, while those who go for the Pro, XL, or Fold models will enjoy a full year of this advanced AI subscription. On top of that, every Pixel 10 beer gets 6 months of Fitbit Premium, which offers fitness tracking and coaching, plus 3 months of YouTube Premium, which removes ads and allows background playback. These extras make the Pixel 10 series feel like a full package, not just a new phone. Compare this with what Apple is rumored to be doing, raising prices without any clear added benefit. With the iPhone 17 expected to cost at least 50 United States dollars more than the iPhone 16, Apple seems to be shifting higher costs directly onto customers without offering extra services or features to balance it out. Some users are already saying they're not happy with the iPhone 17 Pro's new look, so combining that with a price increase might not go down well. Google's strategy feels more thoughtful: keep the prices steady, offer more storage in higher-end models, and throw in extras that users can actually enjoy. In a world where every upgrade seems to come with a bigger price tag, this leak is a small but welcome surprise. It shows that a major tech company is trying to balance business with beer expectations. Even with tariffs and rising costs behind the scenes, Google seems committed to keeping things accessible. This could actually push some people to rethink which brand they want in their pocket next. If you're already in the Android world, the Pixel 10 sounds like a strong option. But even if you're an iPhone user, it's hard to ignore a phone that holds its price, adds more services, and doesn't force a storage tier just to charge more. So now the question is, will Apple users care enough to notice, or will they stick with what they know? Either way, Google might have just made the smartest pricing move of the year. If this sounds like the kind of content that helps you make better tech choices, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on updates that matter.